Friends, today we will learn how to interface liquid crystal display or LCD with Arduino Uno microcontroller. Friends, if you have not subscribed our channel, please subscribe our channel and press the bell icon right now to see our upcoming videos. I have this LCD display which is 20 into 4 line display. That means it has 20 columns and 4 lines. Let us have a quick review about the pin configuration. Pin number 1, you can see it is used for ground. Pin number 2 is used for supply voltage which is 5 volt DC. Pin number 3 is used for contrast adjustment through a potentiometer. Pin number 4 is a RS register select pin. Pin number 5, a read-write pin that selects reading or writing mode. Pin number 6, enable pin that enables writing to the registers. Pin number 7 to pin number 14 are 8-bit data pins used for transferring the data for writing or reading. Pin number 15 is a VCC for backlight. Pin number 16 is ground for backlight. Now we will make the connection of LCD display with Arduino Uno as per the circuit diagram shown here. Now let us discuss about the code we have written for LCD display. In the first line you can see we have included a library liquidcrystal.h. This library is having the inbuilt code for liquid crystal display. In the next line, which is commented, this line is commented, so Arduino Uno will not execute this line. We have written this line just to understand the pin connections we have made between the Arduino Uno and the LCD display. Here you can see the RS pin is connected to pin number 12 of Arduino Uno. Pin number 11 is connected to EN pin. These are 4 data lines we are using in this project. D4 to D7. You can see D4 of LCD is connected to pin number 5 of Arduino. D5 is connected to pin number 4. D6 is connected to pin number 3 and D7 is connected to pin number 2. Again, you can see here we are initializing the liquid crystal library according to pin number of Arduino connected with the LCD display. In the setup section, lcd.begin 20,4. We have written this code 20,4 just because we are using the 20 column 4 lines LCD display. If we are using the display of 2 lines 60 column, then we will write the code like this: LCD dot begin 16,2. Just because we are using 4 lines display, that's why we are commenting this line, and we will use this line LCD dot begin 20,4. So here we just begin the LCD display. Now let's come to loop section. In the loop section, you can see this line will print a message welcome to the first line of LCD display. Now we have set the cursor to the next line. That means the cursor will go to line number 2, column number 1, and the message after this line will printed in the line number 2. So again we have set the cursor to line number 1, column number 1, and this code will execute repeatedly. Now we will upload this program to our Arduino Uno program. Here you can see we are started uploading the program, and the program is being compiled. You can see here. After completion of compilation, it will uploaded directly